Alrighty guys, we just got back from McDonald's and I got the goods. We're gonna go inside and weigh myself to see if I've gained any weight. Hey Lilo, Lilo, don't leave me. Oh, hey Morty. Wow, I actually lost weight today. What's up guys, welcome back to day 2 of eating McDonald's every single day until I collect them all. Alright, so if you watched yesterday's video, you'd know that I got one holographic card, which is the Chikorita. So hopefully today we don't get a duplicate because then that means I just have to eat more McDonald's. Alright, so for today, I got myself a chalky milk and a cheeseburger. And what the? They gave me 2 fries. So, I guess I gotta eat both of them. And then of course, here is the Happy Meal. So I think I should actually try to see how fast I can eat this burger. Go. I don't know how people do it. I have to hiccup. I spilled on my bed. This is actually like really cute. I need milk. That's it. I'll finish the top of one. That's some good milk. Alrighty, so let's see what magical cards we'll be pulling today. Here is the Happy Meal. And it looks like this one's different. It looks like there is some sort of deck box. I'll put this together later. And there's a maze. And here is the answer to the maze. All right, let's see what's inside. Okay, we got a holographic Mudkip. That's really good because it's not a Chikorita. Another Pikachu. Tepig. And a Turtwig. Okay, so we got a Chikorita and a Mudkip. think we're on a good roll. Hopefully, I guess I just gotta do this 23 more times, and then I'll be done. Do you have any words for the fans?
Don't try this at home.
Alright, you guys, thanks again for watching, and leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Tune in tomorrow for day 3 of eating McDonald's every day until I collect them all. Deuces.